Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to do corn on the cob. Now this is the second method that I love to use. First method, you probably seen it in my last video where I wrapped it in foil and actually cooked it on the fire or grill or however you want to cook it like that. That's my favorite way. I think that gives it the best flavor. But if you're going to do, this is going to be for we can actually preserve it, store it for winter because it's, sweet corn season. Love sweet corn, and I like fresh sweet corn. This is the closest you'll ever get to fresh sweet corn in January ever. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get over here and get to cooking. Alright y'all, as you can see here, I've already got a pot of water boiling, and I've already cleaned my corn, shucked it, and cleaned off, not most all the hairs off of it and everything. Next thing you do, it's real simple, is take about 3 or 4 ears of corn, just enough to get them in here, don't want to overfill the pot. And I'm gonna put 5 in here. I actually got like 10 ears of corn, and then we're going to set our timer on our stove here for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover it and we're going to let it boil for 5 minutes, and basically we're going to be done. Alright y'all, corn's been boiling for just about 5 minutes. Timer's about ready to go off. There we go, corn's done. Now I just take it off, and I got a big glass bowl here I put mine in, let it drain, let it cool. That's some good looking corn. I want to thank Mark and Sandy from Twisted V Twin Garage. They're the ones that donated this all to me, so I appreciate it. So we got 5 more ears here. We're just going to stick them down in here, let them cook up. And if you notice, I don't know if you all can see, but it goes from this pale yellow and white to a nice bright yellow and white when it's done. So alright, we got all them back in here. We're going to set the timer again. Another 5 minutes. And when it's done, we'll bring you back. We'll take them out and we'll get on to the next part. Alright y'all, next batch is done. Timer's about to go off. There we go. So I'm going to actually shut this burner off because we're done with the boiling water now. I'm going to pull these out. Let them drain off there a little bit. And then we're going to set them in the this glass bowl like I said before. We're going to let them cool. And everything's all cooked now. Next, I'm going to show you all how I preserve it for the winter. So, sit back. We're going to switch the camera here. Let this cool for a little bit. We'll bring you back and we'll get on that. Alright y'all, it's the next day. I got distracted when I was letting these cool down. So, but all I do is I just take a knife and don't kick your board off there. I just go down it. My cutting board here is getting away from me, so just be safe doing it. And just like that. Just don't cut it into the cob too much. I'm just going to do like 3 of them here to show y'all. Alright, there we go. Now I'll take that, and usually I do like 2 ears, and I'll put it into a small freezer bag, and sometimes I'll throw a pat of butter in there with it too, and then whenever I want sweet, well actually after I do that I'll throw it in the freezer, and whenever I want fresh sweet corn, I'll pop it out of the freezer, throw it in the microwave, in the bag, you know, crack the bag open, warm it up, it steams it, has that butter in there, put a little salt and pepper on it, tastes like just like you're taking it off the cob, you know, in the fall there. So hope you all enjoy it, hope you all try it, and I'm gonna finish doing the rest of these and get it froze up, and you know, I'll have fresh sweet corn for all winter long. So alright y'all, there you go. I got it all bagged up, ready to go. Throw that in the freezer. Anytime in the middle of the winter or any time of the year, I want some fresh sweet corn, just like corn on the cob. Take her out, pop her in the microwave, just enough to thaw it out and warm it up a little bit. Good to go. And I also like doing this with my famous fried corn. I showed you all that in one of my other past cooking videos, but this makes really good fried corn because it has extra sugar in it, you know, from being so fresh. So I like the way it tastes. So there you have it. Hey, we can't end the video yet. Forgot the beverage of the day. Old school Mountain Dew, straight up the green bottles. You know, got a little extra caffeine kick for the, you know. So, all right. Anyways, thank you all for watching this one. I know it's not a real long one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you're going to try this. You know, get some of that, you know, sweet corn. This season for the sweet corn around here. Get you a bunch of sweet corn. You know, you don't have to do, you know, 10 dozen at a time. You know, buy a dozen, eat a couple, cook the rest of them up, cut them off, bag it up, throw it in the freezer. You know, that way you can have fresh sweet corn all year round. You know, ain't nothing better than, you know, in the middle of winter, really cold outside. You know, get you a burger out, some hot dogs, sausages, whatever, cook them up, throw some of that sweet corn in. Man, just brings back, you know, makes you think you're sitting there in the middle of summer. So, alright, hope you all enjoy it. Like I said, catch your weekly live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday evenings. If you're new to the channel, please hit that thumbs up, ring that little bell down there, get notifications for all the stuff I do, either here in the kitchen, out in the garage, at the tractor pulls. You know, sometimes I'm down at Twisted V Twin Garage's place helping him out. Sometimes I'm at my workshop working on big cars and stuff, you know, not big cars, but cars and stuff like that. So anyways, check it out. Appreciate it. Catch you all on the next one. As always, Bear Appetit.